Dear friends, today we have a unique opportunity to take a look at the T-5000, one of the most capable action sniper rifles in the world. It is built on the classic bolt action and offered in a wide selection of calibers. Its militarized version became a part of точность or accuracy sniper system, adopted by the Federal Security, Federal Protective Services of Russia and the National Guard. Using the 338 Lapua Magnum ammo, the effective shooting range reaches 1.5 kilometers with a deadly accuracy. With the top optics like Gedal DSF 5-20x56 rifle scope, it's possible to plant 3-5 shots inside a circle with a diameter of 1.5 centimeters, firing from 100 meters. When chambered for 308, the shooting range reaches 800 meters. ORS has calculated perfect weight and balance for the T-5000 to ensure exact backward recoil. This way, the recoil does not bother the shooter, and it's possible to always keep eyes on the target. The barrel is made from high-quality stainless steel, all of the grooves made in a single pass, providing the perfect geometry of the barrel and stable and highly accurate shooting from the rifle. The rifle layout has everything a shooter expects from a modern sniper rifle. Ergonomic pistol grip, a Picatinny rail for mounting various optics and other accessories, bolt action handle and the ejection port can be placed on the left or right side. A collapsible bipod, adjustable shoulder pad and cheek piece are also in place. The T-5000 uses an aluminum alloy chassis with side-folding shoulder stock and slotted 4-chamber muzzle brake. The empty weight is 6 kilos only. All these features, together with outstanding accuracy, make the T-5000 a rifle of choice for police and special forces. The trigger provides a short and crisp two-stage pull, breaking cleanly at 1,000 grams. Although the trigger pull weight can be adjusted by the shooter, the T-5000 rifle has an impressive list of victories and brought gold not only to the Russian teams. One of the most astonishing examples happened in 2014, when a British shooter, Jan Berry, demonstrated stunning performance in 3 different disciplines, qualifying for the finals in each with one and the same rifle, the T-5000. Even more remarkable is that Jan has laid his hands on this rifle for the first time, only 24 hours before the competition. For more information on this incredible rifle, please visit our website or write us an official request on your company's letterhead. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share this video, and check out our YouTube channel for new videos. In the next episode of this series, we will show you another masterpiece, the F-17 multi-caliber sniper rifle.